So I will explain what is the topic talking about. The topic says that when someone that we love cook for us, the food tastes better. And there was a experiment made with a few people, and they gave these people different type of food made by different person. And the persons that they said that it was the best option, it was someone that they already knew, like their moms, their fathers. So they could choose the food they like better, and it was made by someone they love. And guys, does anybody here likes to cook? Anyone likes to cook? Yes.
I like.
You like Lais
Right.
cooking?
Yes.
And you, Calvin, you said that you like to cook, yeah?
I like.
Yes. And you, Jose, do you like cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
I know cooking,
You
but
know,
but I don't like cooking.
you don't like it. Okay.
Yes.
And you, Adriana, do you like to cook? Yes? Okay. Does anyone agree with Joseph? Does anyone don't like to cook? Or everybody likes it?
I like to eat. I don't like
You
to
like
cook.
to eat?